everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Math. In this session we are going to determine nature of the roots of the given quadratic equation without solving the equation. The standard form of a quadratic equation is given as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now given quadratic equation is not in standard form, so we will shift minus 1 to the left hand side. We have 2x square minus 7x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now comparing this equation with the standard form, we can write that a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 1. Discriminant of a quadratic equation is given as b square minus 4ac. Insert the value of a, b and c. So we have minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 1. So 7 square is 49 minus 8. 4 multiplied with 2 is 8. So the value of determinant is 41. This is greater than 0 and it is not a perfect square, so we can write that roots are real, unequal, and as it is not a perfect square, so the roots will be irrational. Hopefully this is easy to understand. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever a math problem is solved. Thank you.